lẹ́yìn olólùfẹ́ wa Bọ́lájí Abúṣan lórúkọ mi, ààrẹ ẹgbẹ́ TAMPAN lápapọ̀. Mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí bẹ̀ yín wípé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí wàhálà bá ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin àwọn òṣèré wa àbí ẹ rí nǹkan tó kù díẹ̀ káàtó kẹ́ tó máa bú wa kẹ́ tó máa ṣépè fún wa pé àárín nǹkan ṣe sí àgbàyà ni wá àkànlájúlẹ̀ ni ẹ kọ́kọ́ béèrè náà pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n ń jà yẹn sọ́gbà ẹgbẹ́ TAMPAN ni ẹgbẹ́ pọ̀ káàkiri TAMPAN lẹgbẹ́ tiwa ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn gan kì í ṣe ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ yẹn ó lójú ń ta lè dá sí a lè dá sí gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbàlagbà òṣèré ká pè wọ́n ṣùgbọ́n tó bá láwọn òfin ṣọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa àwọn ò gbọ́ kí lẹ́nu pa lè ṣe à ń gbìyànjú agbára wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí àgbàlagbà gẹ́gẹ́ bí ààrẹ gẹ́gẹ́ bí bàbá nínú ẹgbẹ́ òṣèré láti yanjú àwọn wàhálà tó máa ń wà lórí social media ṣùgbọ́n ẹ má rò wípé àkàndákẹ́ àṣẹ nǹkankan ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa nìkan la lè pàṣẹ fún ẹni tí ò bá ń ṣọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa olójú àṣẹ tá a lè pa fún a kàn lè pàrọ̀ wa fún ni mo bẹ̀ yín lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ tí ẹ bá ti rí nǹkan kó tó di pẹ́ bú wa ẹ̀ ń ṣépè ẹ máa bọ̀ lọ́ wa pé nǹkan tí ó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe rí a lè máa ṣàlàyé fún yín lágbára ọlọ́run ojú òní tì í à ń gbé ìgbésẹ̀ tó lágbára láti yanjú gbogbo ẹ̀ka ẹ̀ ní gbúrò àwọn wàhálà yẹn mọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ẹ fi sọ́kàn wípé gbogbo òṣèré kọ́ lọ́mọ ẹgbẹ́ wa o olójú àṣẹ tá a lè pa lórí ẹ tí ò bá kí ń ṣe ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ wa ojú òní tì í. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bọ́lájí Abúṣan, Mr. Latin. I'm the national president of TAMPAN. I want to crave the indulgence of our fans to always take things easy with us. Most of these people that are fighting, that are attacking themselves on social media, some of them are even not our members. For you to just start attacking us as an association that we didn't do anything, they are fighting, they are attacking themselves, you have to take things easy with us, investigate first. These people, yes, they are practicing artists. Are they members of TAMPAN? Most of them are not. So there's little we can do. As an elder, as a practitioner, we are trying our best to sort some things out. But there's little we can do to intervene in an issue that involves non-members. Please always try as much as possible to find out the real fact if these people, these actors or actors are real member of TAMPAN or are real member of our association. Most of them are not even members. But as an elder, as an association, as a practitioner, as a leader in the industry, we always try our best to find lasting solution to this attack on the social media. I beg you all, I pray for your indulgence to please be patient. Very, very soon, all these issues will be finally resolved. Once again, I thank you all for your understanding. God bless.